Hello students, in this video I will solve a coordinate geometry problem. The problem is on the board. In this problem we are given a triangle ABC. The coordinates are given to us and we have to find its orthocenter. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of its altitudes. Let me draw the triangle and the altitudes first. A, B and C. A is -17, B is -71, C is 5 -5. Let me draw the altitudes now. AM and BN are altitudes. AM is perpendicular to BC and BN is perpendicular to AC. We have to find the equation of AM and BN. To get the equation of line, we have to find its slope. Now, because AM and BC are perpendicular, let me tell you an important property of slope of perpendicular lines. Suppose we have two lines, L1 and L2, perpendicular to each other. Suppose the slope of L1 is A over B. Then the slope of L2 would be minus B over A. It means what we are doing, we are finding the negative reciprocal. We will flip it and change the sign. We will use this concept to find the slope of AM and BN. Now, let's think about the side BC. And we know that AM is perpendicular. We have to find the slope of BC first. B is -71, C is 5 -5. We have to find the slope of BC. The formula of the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Suppose this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. We will plug in these values. y2 minus y1 means -5 -1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 is 5 minus x1 is -7. -5 -1, we will get -6. 5 minus -7, it becomes 5 plus 7. So we are getting -6 over 12. We can reduce it and we will get -1 over 2. This -1 over 2 is the slope of BC. Now we have to find the slope of AM. What we will do, we will write its reciprocal and change the sign. Its reciprocal is 2 by 1 and we will change the sign. So it will become plus. So we are getting +2. +2 is the slope of AM. Let's move on to find the equation of AM. The equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c. And m is 2 for AM. For the line segment AM, we are having m is 2. So y equal to 2x plus c. Now we have to find the value of c. What we will do? We will plug in the coordinates of A, -1, 7. 7 equal to 2 into -1 plus c. We are getting 7 equal to -2 plus c. -2 will move to the left. It will become +2. 7 plus 2 equal to c. 7 plus 2 is 9. We are getting c equal to 9. We will plug in this value of c into the equation. Y equal to 2x plus c. It means y equal to 2x plus 9. This is the equation of AM, the altitude AM. We will use the same steps for altitude Bn. Let's move to the next page. Let's focus on Bn. We have to find its equation. To get its slope, we will think about the slope of side AC. AC. The coordinate of A are -1, 7 and coordinate of C are 5, -5. Let's say it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. The slope of AC is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we will plug in the given values. Y2 minus y1 means -5 -7 upon x2 minus x1. x2 is 5. 5 minus -1. -5 -7, we will get -12 upon 5 minus -1. It will become 5 plus 1. So -12 over 6, that is -2. -2 is the slope of AC. -2 means -2 over 1. To get the slope of Bn, what we will do? We will find its negative reciprocal. We will flip it. It means 1 by 2, and we will change the sign. It means plus. We will use plus sign. So 1 by 2 is the slope of Bn. The equation of Bn is y equal to mx plus c. M is 1 by 2. Mx plus c. Now we will find the value of c. What we will do? We will again use the same step. We will plug in the coordinates of b, -7 and 1. X is -7, y is 1. Y is 1 and 1 by 2 into -7 plus c. So 1 equal to -7 by 2 plus c. -7 by 2 will be moved to the left. It will become +7 by 2. 1 plus 7 by 2 equal to c. 1 plus 7 by 2 is 9 by 2. We are having the value c equal to 9 by 2. We will plug in this value here. Y equal to 1 by 2x plus c. It means y equal to 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2. This is the equation of Bn. And earlier we had the equation of Am. Y equal to 2x plus 9. Now we will solve both the equation and we will get the point of intersection. These two altitudes are intersecting at this point, P. We have to find the coordinates of P. So let's move on to the next page and we will solve the equations. Y equal to 2x plus 9 and y equal to 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2. We have to solve this pair of linear equations. What we will do? We will compare the right hand side. 2x plus 9 equal to 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2. Because the left side is same for both the equation, it is y. We have to compare the right hand side. Now we have 2x, 1 by 2 will be moved to the left. It becomes -1 by 2x equal to 9 by 2 plus 9 will move to the right. It will become -9. 2x minus 1 by 2x. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So we are getting 3 by 2x to the left and 9 by 2 minus 9 by 1. If we solve it, we get -9 by 2. Both the sides, left and right, we are having the denominator 2. So we can cancel it. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We are having 3x equal to -9. We will divide both sides by 3 and we will get the value of x. X equal to -3. We will plug in this value of x into either equation 1 or in equation 2. It's up to us. Let's plug in equation 1. So y equal to 2x plus 9. 2 into -3 plus 9. Y equal to -6 plus 9. Y equal to 3. So we have the coordinates -3 and the coordinates of orthocenter are -3, 3. That's it. Students, I hope the solution is clear to you. Thank you very much.